Hello, this is Ashwin Vidyala, and this is part two of my web traffic series. And here today I'm going to show you, like in the previous video, I showed you where you can get your banners from. Now, today in this video, I will show you where to place those banners. Okay, first off, you can always obviously go to, let's say make money online blog. Oh yeah. Okay, first off, this is the niche I am going for, which is why I would be targeting this. Say you're trying to sell pianos. So let's say piano blog. Look at that. First page on Google. Do you think these guys get some traffic? You bet you're behind they do. No, I don't think this guy accepts banners, does he? No, probably doesn't. Okay, maybe this person doesn't do advertising. Let's see here. Study with Chris Foley. Popular posts. Okay. Sometimes it's not very. Usually there's a contact me button, and you can ask if you can just put in your name, your email, and just ask, do you know accept do you do banner advertising? But I don't see any banners here, so that there really wouldn't be any point. Um, okay, let's see. How about here? Color in my piano. But do you see the concept though? You're just basically looking for blogs about pianos or any website where people are looking and talking about pianos, and that's where you place your banner. Because would you agree that an individual who's reading up about pianos and stuff is very likely to buy pianos? Or rather the other way around, somebody who's looking to buy pianos would be looking at blogs like this to learn more about pianos and stuff, right? Yeah, these. Okay, how about let's try something different. The best piano to buy. Tips on buying a piano. Click here to find a registered piano technician. You see that was a banner right there. See some blogs accept more banners than others. See, that was a blog up there, and I'm not able to find a good example. Okay, look at these. Okay, you see these on the left? These are banners. Yeah, there we go. You see all that? Yes. And so, if you'd want to place a banner here, you'd look for a contact me button. You should have one somewhere. They don't. That's slightly weird. Home show, advertise. You see that? Advertise. And so this is what you would do. They give you top 3 reasons to advertise on piano world, and they usually there will be somewhere to contact the individual. Please go to the ad manager to renew. I mean, to renew an existing ad, I guess. And yes, and you would email this individual and say, hey, I want to place a banner. What available spots do you have, and what size banners can you offer me? It's very simple. That's basically what you do. Depending on your niche and who you're selling to, this is the way you would go about it. Now, there is an easier way that might be slightly more expensive, but it's easier. You use what are called intermediaries. I think they're called intermediate agencies actually. These are basically networks that advertise on hundreds or maybe thousands of websites. And so you just go to one portal, and from there you can advertise on multiple websites. Does that make sense? So the one I use is called buysell.ads.com. And I'm already logged in. And yeah, so um, depending on what you're trying to advertise, you would, let's see. They've changed the interface slightly. See, that's the thing. It's not like I sit and check this thing every day, because you just set the banner once and it automatically renews. And yeah, every now and then you want to tweak it, but you really don't mess with it too much when it's working. And so you see these categories: education. Let's say you're selling dog food, right? pets, and then you see the 315,000 monthly impressions, the Labrador site. And then, okay, this is waiting list, 130 by 100 middle right. You'd buy the banner. $315,000, sorry, 315,000 impressions for 80 bucks. I think that, I don't know, actually, my brain isn't working right now to do math like that in my head. Pets Keeper Guide. But you see, and the reason I'm blazing through this is because it's not really difficult stuff. You would go to $20banners.com or create your own banner, and then you would just come here and buy one. Not a big deal. Very, very simple. I have some campaigns running. Let me just show you. Now, again, I don't do this a lot. This is kind of like just on the side. The 19,950 impressions for 86 and 86 clicks. You're looking for it. I heard once somebody say, an expert marketer, this from whom I learned this stuff actually. He said you're looking for at least 0.5%, like 0.5%, and you're good. So I'm like right around there, 0.5%, and you're doing okay. Click through rate. Now those people buying, not buying, that's a completely different thing. And you see, these things just renew on their own. You don't need to worry about it. If you want more, there's a button somewhere where, give me more impressions. And but that's it. Very simple. You see how simple that is? I use these agencies because they're much easier than sitting on Google and looking through for blogs and stuff to advertise on. These guys have a whole host of websites on their portal here where you can advertise on their websites, and so it just makes it a lot easier. I This is the method I prefer, and so that's it. Banner media is that simple. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot more nuances to this. But yeah, to get started, you don't need to really be an expert at it, and it's not really rocket science. So just, get your feet wet a little bit, get a banner or just create a banner simply if you know how to do it. I don't, so I can't tell you what to do in that, in that respect. And then come to this website, buysellads.com, and, just play with it. At the most you lose 10-20 bucks. Who cares? It's a learning experience. So I hope this was valuable to you. Also, I don't know what traffic source I'm going to be covering in the next video. I'll think about it. We'll see. But yes, so I want you to just at least go and check this out and just, give it a try. And if you like this video and you want to check out more videos like this, do check out my blog at theindianguy.com. Have a good one.